Hello, Michael Helmke here. I recently switched to ConvertKit as an email marketing tool, and there was one visual feature I've seen done that I was very curious to reproduce, which ConvertKit doesn't support natively, and that is dotted borders around boxes. You can put solid borders around boxes, but not dotted ones, and for some reason, dots and dashes really appeal to me in that context. I'd seen it done in other newsletters, and the solution had to be some level of CSS added to make it do it, and I'm not a CSS expert, so I didn't have an easy solution. And then someone suggested, why don't you ask ChatGPT? So I asked ChatGPT 401 and gave it an example of my email template in HTML and gave it an example of the raw email that has the section I want the dotted border around and said, I want to put a dotted border around this, help. And it gave me the really simple answer. So here's how you do it. I'm going to create a new broadcast. I have a custom template I've been using, but I'm going to use one of the standard ConvertKit templates. That works fine. And it's just got boilerplate text in it. I'm going to add a new layout and type /layout to find it. And this gives me a bunch of standard fancy layouts. Down at the bottom, there's this boring gray box. I want that. And I'm going to put my heading here. And I'll make it a heading. And then below that is body text. And then I want to turn on the border. So up here, I'm in text elements here. I want to go up to layout, go down to border, and turn on normal width border. Give it a large radius. And I want to go up and increase the padding because I don't like it being so close to the edge. So there we go. But it's solid, and there's no way to make it dotted. So what you need to do, down at the very, very bottom of your email, as far down as you can go, I'm going to hit the plus and add a HTML block. And in there, I'm going to hit edit, and I will paste in this handy block of code I have off screen. And that's the secret sauce. The style part above and below it with the slash in front of style here is extremely important. The dotted border is a name I will assign to that block, and border style dotted is what makes it dotted. The exclamation important part tells your email tool that this should override any other border style specified. If you don't want to understand that part, just know that having important here with the exclamation mark in front is extremely important. And that's it. Now we go up, and it's not dotted yet because the other thing you have to do is go down. I'm in layout again, under advanced. The CSS class name needs to match what I put in the bottom, which was dotted border. And suddenly it's dotted, as you can see. That's it. Simple. Comment if you have any questions.